guys, you're getting a video, so you know what that means. Tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna be here in the morning. Right now those days are kind of hitting on a Monday and Wednesday. No, not at all. Wednesdays and Fridays. Again, that'll adjust, but your easiest cue is if there's a video posted on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and onto the train account, you can probably bet that I'm not going to be in that next morning. Still doesn't affect the afternoon, still doesn't affect during the day. It really affects early cool population, but small in the grand scheme of my day. So with that said, it's snowing out, so that was fun. My building's not leaking, so that's fun. So we're doing good today. Let's go ahead. We're gonna hop right onto this. I'll let you guys kind of peruse what we got going on. Get this shared and up and going here for you guys. Okay, let's cruise me in. So we got just normal hour template here. Again, those first 10 minutes are for you to make sure that you get your shoes on, get everything going, prep as you see fit. Now, if you have no idea what to do, I'm always going to offer you an option. Okay. And that option today is going to be 10-minute movement prep. Okay. That's kind of like a really slow version of an AMRAP. We're not trying to kill it. We're trying to get moving and prep for the day. With that, we have 10 dumbbell deadlifts, really light. So your both feet are together, nice flat back. Ends of the dumbbell touch the ground and you stand back up. Okay. Then you're going to go in because we're going to need our barbell down in that next piece, which is our main piece. So with that, we're going to get the barbell out, throw it on your back, get into good mornings, 10. So from those good mornings, boom, I hit those 10. Then I just go into 10 nice squats. Quads should be pretty blown up still from Monday. Tuesday was a little bit of a lighter session and I think pretty fun. And then today we're going to get back after it with a longer piece. All right. When you and your crew is ready to go, you're going to go ahead, hit that start button. And we're going to roll into our 28-minute EMOM. That sounds really intimidating, but it's not. It's 7 rounds is what it ends up being. So minute 1, 200-meter run or row. When you're done with that run or row, you rest the remainder of the minute. Okay. At the top of the next minute, so minute 2, you're going to hit 6 deadlifts. RX is going to be 185 for gals, 185 for guys, 135 for gals. RX plus, those are more of my competitor weights, 225 for guys, 155 for gals. So during kind of in between that movement prep and right before this workout, you need to load that bar up. And as you load, take some reps along the way. Okay. So for example, and I try to get people to do this, if I was to go to 135, I would actually hit with 25s on. So it's just 85. I hit a few reps, make sure it felt good. I throw on 10s, that gets me to 105. Then I throw on another set of 10s, that gets me to 125 each time, hitting 3 to 5 reps. And then my last little bit, I throw those 5s and my clips on. Okay. It's just some of those things that as a coach, when you say, hey guys, warm up, and then you throw on 135 and 155 is your max. Now all of a sudden, that concept of, oh, why did I get hurt? Well, you give your body zero opportunity to warm up. So allow yourself a little bit of time, learn how to load a bar, learn how to do bar math, or ask somebody around you. It's the only type of math I can do anymore. Somebody out there would be able to do it for you, or use your phone. 100 ways to do it. Okay. Minute 2, 6 deads. Minute 3, 15 box jumps. Okay. All of these things outside of that 200-meter run or row should be something that is done in 30 seconds or less. So you are really going 30 on, 30 off. That's why minute 4 was originally scheduled as a rest, but in all reality, if you want to hit 5 burpees, do it. And really find those pacing mechanisms and then find those recovery mechanisms, right? 30 to 45 seconds of work perpetually, followed by a little bit of rest. How well do you maintain? Okay. So again, this becomes a cardio piece. I'm just trying to give you guys different examples and really working your body in through different time frames, time domains, energy systems, all that stuff comes into play when we start doing this thing. So after we get that all done, 28 minutes is up. Yay. Okay. Move on. All right. Some of you guys will want to move on. Maybe some of you guys don't. If the 28-minute EMOM kicked your butt, call it a day. High five yourself and leave. Well, clean up. Then you can go. Minute 45 to 60. So in that last 15 minutes, you're going to hit 10 sets of 3 to 5 bench at 60% or greater. we're gonna hit 10 2-arm dumbbell row. Remember that 2-arm dumbbell row actually needs to be lighter than you think, because that's 100 reps by the time you're done. How much cool volume is that? Same with that 3 to 5 sets of bench. You'll notice that that seems really intimidating. We do that all the time. That's every 90 seconds for 10 rounds. We hit that stuff all the time, and we're able to stay on point with it. You're just gonna end up, if you go every 90 and you don't want to go over like into like that 65-minute round, then you're gonna have to stay a little bit lighter, be a little bit more dynamic and quick about those movement patterns. Okay, so in all reality, that's like it for our day. Pretty jam-packed and easy. Let's go ahead, pop over here and see what'll load for us. Ooh, real big. Can't be displayed on the video. Can't see the video. All right. Let's go to watching motivational videos and stuff. Okay, deadlift. This again is attached to. Sorry, guys. No, where that's coming from. How bad is that? Right there. I found it. It's hiding behind my screen share. Okay, sorry guys. Deadlift. Again, all these videos are also going to be posted for you. Okay. The biggest thing, what I like again about these CrossFit videos is they really invested the time and that proper form, allowing you guys to see how each one of these movements should be done. Okay. Biggest thing here, you got to have a flat back. If you don't have a flat back, that's when there's the propensity for injury across your low back. So kind of stay in there. Go ahead and give these videos a peruse. And if you really want to dive into any of these things, there's some really good videos out there. I'll start posting some of the people that are smarter than me that I like to watch when they're doing things. Okay. Next one, when we're coming into it, is bench. I think we do a pretty good job with bench press. Okay. Remember, we're really trying to keep everything engaged. It's a full body lift, but our butt shouldn't be coming off the ground, especially if we keep it light enough. All right. So make sure that we touch our chest each time, press it all the way up. Feet are flat on the ground, and they're pushing down towards the opposite wall. So if I'm on the blue side benching, I'm pushing out towards the red wall, not up or down. I find that makes a massive difference. Really helps engage the entire body. So give that a go there. Last one. If you didn't remember what a 2-arm dumbbell row, right here.
Rigid in the upper body.
Too much down. Okay. Again, arms go straight. Pinch your shoulder blades together. Okay. Make the weights light enough that we do not need to screen share that anymore. Make the weights light enough that you could do them. You could do them with good form. You should not be in your traps. You should be across that midline of your back. Okay. We should be pinching rhomboids. We should be pinching shoulder blades together.
Show you guys how to do it properly, okay?
Let's get this off of here. There we go. Okay. So that's it for the day. Again, thank you guys for giving me this opportunity, sticking with me through it. I think it's working well. Always tell me if something isn't working for you, and we'll find a way to remedy it. You know how it works around here. We all work together. It seems to work pretty well. Now we need to stay warm. Remember to start your car. Wear a hoodie and a coat in and out, even if you're hot, so you don't get a cold. It's my mom tip for the day. As you can see, I'm very enthusiastic about that. All right. Have a good one, guys. Bye.